With Smartsheet for Outlook, you can create or edit Smartsheet items, collaborate on them in real time, and keep track of every detail with ease, all without leaving your inbox. Let's look at how this works. I'm responsible for the press event for our upcoming product launch and need gifts for the attendees. I also need to stay coordinated with everyone involved in the overall product launch. I go to my inbox via the Outlook web app and see that Daniel has sent me the final price quote and confirmed the gifts will arrive by the due date. Now, I want people on the team to be able to refer back to the price quote, confident it's the final choice. So instead of forwarding the email, I'll open up the Smartsheet app directly from Outlook and search for the sheets relevant to the press event. I find the sheet I created for the Q2 press event and select Add Row to add the information about the gift order to my sheet. I'm presented with a new item populated with information from the email. The email subject is added as a budget line item. The text of the email is added as a discussion. And the email attachments are attached to the row. Since I'm seeing a summary, I'll click Show More for all the details. I'll add the status, due date, budget, and actuals for the gifts, and click Save. Now, anytime my teammates or I need to reference the quote or see what's happening with this budget, we just click on the sheet link to go directly to it. Here's the line item I just added from Outlook. It's highlighted because I have the Highlight Changes option on for this sheet. I can see the full email by clicking on the discussions attached to this row. And I can also see all of the attachments associated with it. Now that I know the gifts will arrive on time and on budget, I want to update the status in our overall product launch sheet. The press event is already a task in that sheet, so this time I'll select Update Row. I'm presented with this task populated with information already in Smartsheet. You'll notice that the task details are very different from my budget line item since it's a project rather than a budget sheet. No matter how you structure your work in Smartsheet, you can work with it in context from Outlook. I'll change the color to green since my task is on track and click Save. Now, let's go back to the product launch sheet to see how the overall launch is going. The related tasks are grouped together and you can see the status, dates, and owners. Everyone who's involved with the launch can collaborate together in real time. Gantt bars show the relationship between tasks and how they are progressing. I see my task is now updated to show it's on track. To learn more about Smartsheet for Outlook and other ways Smartsheet and Microsoft work together to make it easy for you to coordinate any type of work, visit smartsheet.com/Microsoft.